In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 1. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you're trying to play an experience on Roblox and you're getting this Error Code 1 message where it says about developers shutting down all game servers, there's a couple of things you can try to resolve this problem. First, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type run, and then open up run underneath best match. In the run box that comes up, what you want to do is type the following, which is a % symbol followed by local app data, all one word, another % symbol, and then click OK. Now what that's going to do is load up a folder like this. On this folder, you want to find a Roblox folder. So it's in alphabetical order. So if you scroll down to R, and you should see a folder called Roblox. Now the first thing you're going to do is delete this folder. So click to select it, right click, and then click on to delete. Now don't worry, this doesn't contain any of your saved data. It's just basically temporary internet and cached files. Once you've done that, close this down, and what you want to do now is open up an internet browser. So that's going to be the one that you use to play Roblox. Now once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and what you want to do is come and click onto settings. Once you're on your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. Then what you want to do in the privacy and security section is click onto third-party cookies, so that's this one here, and then what you want to do is click here where it says see all site data and permissions. Now on this screen, come up and use the search box at the top. What you want to do is type Roblox into here, and you should see roblox.com come up with these cookies. Now before you go ahead and do this, make sure you make note of your login and password, because what you're going to do is delete the cookies, and that's going to log you out of Roblox, so you will need to log back in after doing this. But what you want to do is basically delete the cookies, so click the trash can icon, click on to delete. As mentioned, that's going to log you out of Roblox, and once you've done that, if we come back to Roblox, I'm just going to refresh the page. What you want to do now is just log back into Roblox and see if you can now play the experiences. If at this point you're still having problems, then what it's going to be is a case of waiting for the experienced developers to re-enable the server. They could have just temporarily disabled the servers as they may be doing some work on the servers or something like that. So you just need to wait and see if they reactivate the servers, if you're still unable to access the experience. So that is how to fix the Roblox Error Code 1. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.